How to do cinematic title reveal effect. Click on the new button at the bottom of project panel and select black video and click OK. Drag the black video into timeline to create a new sequence from it. Now use Type tool and type a text. Then with Selection tool, drag the text to where you want. Now adjust the duration of the text to how long you want the effect to last. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls panel and expand the text, and change properties according to your needs, but mine is OK for now. Then go to Effects panel and search for Mirror. Drag and drop mirror effect into your text. With your text selected, go to Effect Controls and move the playhead at the start. Set reflection angle to 90 and drag reflection center second value to the left until you can't see the text, and click on stopwatch next to it to create a starting keyframe. Move the playhead to the end of your text and set reflection center second value until you can see the text and its reflection. This will create the second keyframe. Now under text, click on the rectangle to create a mask. Then in preview window, adjust the mask to contain the original text and around 1/3 of the mirror text. Now check the inverted checkbox, and then increase feather until you can see the text. Now in Effects panel, search for Dissolve and drag Film Dissolve into the end of your text and adjust its duration. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.